What's up? My name's Kazdan. One of our main goals here at Shatterproof Archery is to help more people enjoy more archery. And one of the ways we do that is to help people build their own bow. Now, building a fiberglass bow can be difficult and expensive, especially with all the jigs that you need and all the tools. We created a kit to help people build their own fiberglass bow. We made a video on this, a 15-minute video, and then another hour-long, over an hour tutorial. We also made a book on how to do that, taking it from this point to you're building your own finished bow, shaping the handle how you like it, shaping the tip overlays, and doing it for a lot less expensive than if you were to get all the tools to build and glue up a fiberglass bow. So today what we're going to do is go through how we get the bow to this point. So to prep material, we prep the risers on a CNC machine. That way they're perfect every time. So these ones just finished up. Go ahead and clean this up on the bandsaw. Now this is almost ready for glue up. I just need to clean up these edges on the belt sander and then we'll be good to go. Now that we got this cleaned up and feathered, we can do our glue up. Riser. We already measured the bamboo so that we know exactly what draw weight this is going to come out to with this thickness of bamboo. Fiberglass for the limbs, fiberglass for the back of the bow. So the way we've built this bow is that it's basically pre-tillered with the length, the thickness, the width of the limbs, how we tell you to shape it. It's going to come out really close to being perfectly tillered with a 1/8 to 1/4 inch positive tiller. All the work we've done on the length of the bow, building the form, all of that kind of plays into the end product. I'm using EA40 for this glue up. It's a really flexible epoxy and really sticky too. Gonna put this glue on some heat. It's gonna make it easier to spread. Use some acetone to clean this off. Acetone is really nice to clean before glue ups because it evaporates in like half a second. Now we're gonna prep this form. We've built heat strips into this form so that we don't have to move it after we put the bow in it. We need it to not stick to the form though because the form's heated. First, wax paper. And then plastic wrap. The magical combination. Now our glue's heated. Now we got glue on all the surfaces and into the form we go. For yourself. Haha. Just made sure that everything was seated down properly. And now this back piece here moves. So I'm gonna insert a fire hose back here so we can put a lot of pressure on it so it'll be a very, very, very solid glue up. Now we got these bars to hold everything down in place. 35 to 40 because of its thickness. Now we'll add a bit of compressed air to the fire hose. Make sure everything's seated. Then load it up. We're going to put it to about 60 pounds of pressure. Now let's turn the heat on. Simple little thing down here, just hit plus. So now we got the heat going. It'll go to about 150 degrees. So once this comes out of the form, after about 2 hours of heating and then cooling, then after that we just clean it up. We trim it down to the perfect length for the perfect tiller. This one's a 58-inch bow. We either do 58 or 60-inch, and then we glue on the tip overlay blank. So with this, we're really intentional with everything we do. You can see the specific pattern here. This is the center of the bow, so you know where the deepest part of your handle is going to be. You can see this. This is going to be your arrow rest. And we made it where it can be right or left-handed.
Pockets.
Oh yeah. And we also put these pockets in so you know how deep to sand it down to. And that's all fleshed out in the how-to video and in the booklet of how to do it. So this is a product that hundreds of people have enjoyed building with an over 95% success rate. And we even have an option where it's a guaranteed shooting bow. Even if you break it, if you cut it in half, we'll replace it for you, let you try again. If you are wanting to build a fiberglass bow, what we've done here is going to reduce your cost by about $1,000 and probably 60 to 80 hours of work in building forms, getting tools, getting materials, creating jigs, all of that. And so we're here to help you. If you need anything, let us know. We're at shatterproofarchery.com, or you can email me at contact@shatterproofarchery.com. Stay shatterproof, and I'll see you on the next video.